In order to check your balance, you need to be logged into the DStv self-service section. So first, click login. Here you can use either your email address or your mobile phone number. Put your email address and your password. Click login. If you do not have a login, you'll need to create one by registering on the site. If you click self-service, you can say view my balance. If your balance is overdue or you have a balance to pay, you can click pay now. You can also pay your box office amount. Most DStv payments go through PayU if you don't have a debit order set up or the debit order hasn't worked. So click yes. Then you'll get to the PayU DStv screen where you fill in your card details. Once your card details are filled in, click pay. Go through your security checks. You'll get notified that your transaction was successful. You click view balance again. Now it says 0 is left to pay. And if you're having an E16 message, then check out E16 error solution on our blog, which we'll give you a link to.